You're probably thinking, oh wow, just another normal water bottle, but this is not just a normal water bottle. Not only does this hold water, but it also magnetizes to your phone. So if you're trying to do like a little selfie moment, you can rotate it around because it is magnetized. It's not sticky or anything like that. It does come with sticky rings if you want to put it on the back of your phone, but as you can see, my phone's sticking to it. I can adjust this up and down, side to side, and just like that. But when I want some water, just like that, I can drink my water. It does have this removable silicone, so not only can you use this for yourself, but if you want to take this silicone off like that, you can fill this up with water for your dogs and it'd be perfectly fine. Not only is this water bottle super cute and beneficial, but it also holds a lot of water, so you're going to be staying hydrated, be able to watch your phone, and be able to provide for other people. So if you're looking for a nice and cute water bottle, this definitely is a great choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll catch you next time.